So this is our kitchen area of the van that he's started to build. I'm going to go through it with you. So this is the, so that's the cooker. And the oven. I've got to be careful because this is not fixed together yet properly. He's basically building all the frame. We'll have a bit of storage underneath here. This is where the water will be stored. He's going to put a shelf in here for storage as well, and there'll be a door on the front. We have the worktop and the sink. So clever thinking by the hubby. He decided to put the fridge at the side because when the beds are out at night, we won't be able to open the fridge door. So he's put it on the side so we can access it all the time. Oh, so excuse the dogs. He's put Fablon on the front, but he's not happy with that, so he's going to remove it and he's going to spray it. Spray paint it all. It's going to be a similar colour. It's just he's not too fussed on the Fablon, so next time you see it, hopefully it'll be finished and in the van. Then, okay, so this is the van. Basic in the front. We had our seats covered, but they're not completely finished yet because they haven't done the headdresses, but they will look like that. So that's our rock and roller bed. So kitchen. So what I've been doing is storing, move back a bit, right. So under there goes all our cutlery, and we got crisps, chocolates, bits and bobs to eat. That was rammed when we first started the trip, but not so much now. Our oven and hob. That's been really, really handy. I'm going to grill, but never mind. We've got little pockets everywhere just to store stuff in. They were mega cheap on eBay, but the kids got one at the bottom of their beds as well. We got the TV. That's just hanging down at the minute. But we got the TV, but it's got to connect to Wi-Fi to be used. I got a shelf up here. That's all my teas, coffees, bits and bobs. But we made sure it had a lip so nothing fell down. Under here, let's have a look. We done roller doors just to save space, but this is where our gas bottles or fridge, everything is stored under here. I don't know if you can see that, but my fridge is in here. There you go. That's my fridge. We made sure it'd come out this way so we could open it when we're in bed as well, because when the bed is out you can't get the fridge otherwise. Bunk beds that we made. So Jessie's on the top, Taylor's on the bottom, and then this rolls out then at night, and that's our bed. But we've got curtains for each side just for privacy, and then we've got a big cover for the front that we only put on in the night, and it sort of ties in with the doors when you shut the doors. And then what else to show you? I think I'll show you the back. We got all our electric points, that's right, didn't yeah, I've got some blue neon lights just to be a bit fancy. There's all our lights working up there. Here. So that's everything when it's on. That one. Then we got USB cables here, and that charges all of our gadgets, which are constantly being used, if I'm honest. Best thing we've done. I got my kettle, kitchen roll, odds and sods up there, just hand brush. So, the back. I can't really open it very well because we've parked it so close to the garage, but we do hang all our coats up at the back there. Got a table, fold up table, we've got a spare tyre, we've got a portaloo under there, just behind the tyre. That's our portaloo, and our bags have just been sitting around by here really. Battery, electrics, everything that we needed, but we made use of the storage at the back there and just to put all our big chunky coats. Yeah, that's it. So this winter now we'll all be resprayed and finished. Only odds and sods on the inside, but spraying the outside, which will be blue. Here you got it, babe. It's my little home for the week.